I'm Betha Modoni Elias, born in a village called Kangutu, and later joined Kangutu Primary for primary course. And then I joined Kini Secondary for my secondary course. And later, after completing all those courses, I became a business lady, where I just work to earn a little money to sustain me in the community. And and in my secondary school, there are the two friends who are my most friend, whom are very good in netball playing. The three of us were netball players, and the two girls came from a Fana family where they could not afford for sanitary towels. Then the little I used to share with them. So one day we had in the school competition with the Chuka girls. One of my friends used a cloth as a makeshift sanitary towel. And when we started playing, she was trying to defend a friend from shooting the ball. That cloth fell down, where she managed to lie on it so that she can cover the cloth, so that they cannot be ashamed. Now, we couldn't understand what has happened or what happened to her. What we did, we thought our friend was injured. So we just try to lift her up from the cloud so that the competition can continue. Where we carried her from the cloud or from that area to another place. Later she told that she lied down to cover the cloth which fell down when she was praying. Now, in 2018, I joined Village Opco as a caretaker, and I'm a caretaker even today. And when I was invited for Work for Dignity, a Blessed Cycle, I felt that they must participate because I think that one is my passion. I tried to imagine how important it can be if I can support a girl and she can continue with education, or she can continue in the class, because I can remember very well my two friends, they became important people in the community. I can remember very well. One of them is a lecturer, faculty in law, and another one is a doctor in one of the hospitals in Mombasa. So I tried to imagine how important it can be if I can support 300 girls, meaning that they can change the community. I can change 300 also households or 300 families, which will bring impact in our country or in our communities. And now, what I can tell my staff or who are ready to support, they can support this fully, because if you can support a girl and change her life, you have supported the community. So I can tell my colleagues to donate if they are willing to.